Best AI website builder. Hey guys, this is Shayan and today's tutorial is about the best AI website builder and the best AI funnel builder that can build your websites or funnels in minutes, literally without any technical expertise. And the best part, you don't need even a hosting for this. And it also comes at a one-time small price. You don't need any recurring payments. So that makes it an absolute no-brainer. So if that sounds interesting, then stay tuned till the end of this tutorial because I'm going to design a full-flown website just in front of your eyes in minutes with the help of AI. So let's start. So this is the interface of the tool, and the tool in concern is called FunnelHero AI. Now, in here, as you can see, you can create funnels, you can manage your funnels, you can create websites, and you can manage your websites all from the same dashboard. Then in here, you can manage your domains, you can manage your leads, you can see the analytics, and you can also integrate third-party softwares within this system itself. Now, in manage domains, you can add your own custom domain as well if you want to. Then comes the leads, where you can find all the leads that you have. Then there's the analytics, where you can check all the analytics on how your websites are performing, how your funnels are performing, the conversion rates, the traffic, how much time they are spending, every detail that anybody needs to know about their funnels and websites and its performance, right? Last but not the least is integration. You can integrate it with GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, Zapier, and even to webinar tools like GoToWebinar. So all of that is flawless. That being said, now let's go to the main thing, which is creating a website. Just click on create website and click on go, and then you have the choice. Depending on what kind of website you are building, you can take any of this done for you, or you can start your custom category as well. I'm creating one for myself, so I'll go for coaching. Once we do so, AI will actually chat with us. So it's asking us what is the website or the business name, right? So I'm going to give my business name, which is NK Academy Digital Solutions. And then I'm going to hit on enter, and boom, there you go. It is asking about what's the business school about, what we do and all. So for that, we can go over to ChatGPT. Here you can see I have written all that I do. And now I am asking ChatGPT to give me the write-up for it, right? You can write it in plain English as well. You can use their AI as well, but I'm going to make it even better, right? So here we go. Here is the prompt that we get from ChatGPT. Just copy and paste over here and hit on enter. And then it's going to ask us the business name. So we are going to provide it again. Now it has got it, right? Now let's create an about section. And boom, it's done, right? Now it's time for choosing a domain. If you have a custom domain, you can add to that. Otherwise, it can be hosted within FunnelHero AI itself, right? Now, in here, you can choose the engine. It has two engines. One is the content engine. For content engine, you can find Grok, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Gemini. And for the image creation, you can use Nano Banana, Flux, GPT Image, Deep AI, Luma AI, or Grok. Now, the choice of the AI is yours, right? It's not limited at all. You can choose any. I have chosen Claude Opus for content and GPT Image for images. Now, once this is done, I'll click on continue. And as you can see, it's thinking and it's asking us for the language. It supports many languages, as you can see. So we are going to choose English. And now it's again thinking and it's going to ask us again. So let's wait. So there you go. It's asking us what kind of sections we want. We want a hero section, services or coaching section, product or shop section, testimonial section, and FAQ section. Here you can select only 5. I'll show you how to add more. Don't worry. Now, once this is done, I'll click on done and boom, it is almost done, right? Now we can select the color combination, what is going to be the color scheme and all. If you are doing this for any client, they might have a color selection, so you can fetch that. And then once done, you can just type in yes and boom, everything will be handled by the AI. So you can see over here, the website is being created. So let's wait. And as you can see, it is creating all of this. This is the last thing that is being created. So let's wait a little. And boom, as you can see, it has been created, right? And look at the look and feel. At the very first go, this is how it looks. Now, don't worry, you can edit any and everything. So in here, as you can see, on the left-hand side, you have this editing box, right? In here, the one that is highlighted. Now, you can ask it to add anything and everything over here. I'm going to add my image to the website so that I have some personal branding, right? So I've added the image and I'm telling it to add this for my personal branding. And once I click on save, it will actually add this. Now, I could have gone into more details, like in which section I want it, what is the width and height, all of that can be specified, right? That's up to you. And as you can see, it has been added. Let me show you where. So there you go, right? There it has been added. Now you could increase or decrease the size. You can change the position. You can do whatever with it you want to. Now let us create another section. The about section is missing. So I am about to create an about section. Just type in here and boom, there you can see the website is being updated. So let's wait. And in here, as you can see now the about section comes up. So now it has 6 sections instead of 5. That's why I told you I'll show you how to add more sections. So in this way, you can add as many sections as you want, right? So that's quite cool. Now, that being said, you can just click on publish and boom, your website is live, right? You can watch your website on the internet without any hosting, without any domain, without any technical expertise, without knowing even about WordPress. That's how simple it can be. Now, that being said, in here, there is drag and drop editor. So you can click on that and this gives you a what you see is what you get kind of editor, which we are more acquainted with, like where we can drag, drop, we can select and make changes. Like I'm making this change, right? You can make any changes you want to. And one-click publish is also available over here. You can just go through the elements one after the other, right? You can make any kind of changes that you want over here. If you want to add sections, you can do that. If you want to delete sections, you can do that. If you just adding section means over here on the right-hand side, you get all of these elements that you can add in one click. You can add it to anywhere that you wish to, right? Just hit on publish and boom, your website is done with the changes. So that's how cool it is. And that's how easy it is to work with this amazing, amazing AI website builder. That being said, in here, you can just come up to the settings. That is the SEO settings. Click on that. And in here, you can have your SEO settings as well so that your website ranks on Google searches and AI searches, right? Then you can come over to the settings and from here you can integrate your form settings, right? So you can do that as well. So now let's go back to the AI editor, and this time with the AI editor, I'm going to add one of my YouTube videos, right? So let's go over to YouTube and I'm going to add my AI tools video over here. So I'm just searching that video from YouTube and I have copied that, right? So now I'm going to add this video in the hero section, right? And then I'm going to give the URL of the YouTube video. That's it, right? That's almost it that I want to do. Once this is done, I'll just click on save and send. And boom, the AI has taken over. So let's see whether the AI is capable of adding it. And boom, there you can see it has added this and there is the video, right? So everything works like a magic. You can add anything and everything just by typing. Just by typing a change, you can make that change. Isn't that amazing, guys, right? So that being said, over here on the left-hand side, you can manage your website. So you can actually see all that your website has. And then you can actually export that as well. You can open the analytics. You can download the website. Just one click and it will be downloaded as a HTML, which you can export to your own hosting as well. If you have a custom hosting, you can actually go ahead and do that as well. So that's totally doable. Now, let's see how this website looks actually on the web. This is flawless, right? You can see all the sections coming up, all of that written by Claude and all of the images created by GPT Images. Absolute flawless. Within minutes, you have a complete website ready, which would have taken minimum 2 to 3 days. Let apart the cost of hosting, domain, a developer, all of that is totally eliminated. So that's quite cool. Now, you can also have these buttons over here. As you can see, you can integrate your payment gateways. You can integrate your forms. You can integrate your WhatsApp number. All of that can be done just by one click. Isn't that amazing? That being said, so this is all the final website looks like. And I must say that this kind of website to create even by a professional developer would minimum take 2 to 3 days of his or her time, plus let along the expense that you are going to bear, right? Now, in here, you have the forms, right? People can go ahead and submit it and you would get it on your back end as a lead. So that's it for this little tutorial. Now, let's head over to the pricing that it has. Now, to check the pricing, you just need to go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. And in here, you have any and every info about FunnelHero AI, right? You can go through this at your own time. And then if you scroll down over here, you can get my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are some AI softwares that you get absolutely for free of cost if you do decide to buy FunnelHero via our affiliate link, right? And to get all of these bonuses and FunnelHero, all that you need to do is scroll down over here. And in here, you are going to get any of these red buttons. Just click on that. And this will take you to the official site of FunnelHero AI, which should look like this, right? And in here, as you can see, this software has just launched its lifetime deal. It's not going to stay for a long time in this lifetime deal. It's a founder's deal that is available currently, and you can get inside at a one-time price. Now, to grab this, You just need to click on this buy now button, and then you can apply this coupon code to get $5 off as well. So just click on this buy now button, and as you can see, the commercial version comes for only $38, and then you can apply the $5 coupon code to get it at $33. And at this price, this kind of software is absolutely no-brainer to have. Along with that, you get my bonuses for free of cost. That being said, there are some additional upsells, and I'm going to get you through that. So on the front end, whatever you get for $33, you can build up to 10 complete funnels and 3 pages per funnel. Now, I've shown you website. I'll link a video down in the description, which shows you how to build funnel as well. I have a complete tutorial. Don't worry. That being said, over here, you are limited in the choice of AIs as well. So I would say go for the Pro, because in the Pro, you get all the models. You can create up to 50 funnels and 20 pages per funnel. So this is an absolute no-brainer to have, and this is going to cost you only $97 one-time price. That being said, this is the best pricing that you can have right now, because once this founder's deal is over, you need to pay monthly for this software, right? Now, that being said, there are a couple of other additional upsells which are optional, by the way. One is done for you, Funnel Vault, and then the agency edition. But what I like the most is a white level agency edition. This is going to be extremely important if you are into digital marketing agency or website building agency or funnel building agency, because once you are an agency, you are dealing with ClickFunnels, you are dealing with go high level, and you need your customers to pay $97 a month, $297 a month, $497 a month, right? So that's the amount of money that they need to pay. Maybe you are affiliate to that and you are making some money out of it, but just think about your customers. They are required to pay a huge money. So if you buy this white level edition, what you can do is that you can launch your own custom funnel builder software, and then you can actually charge your client $27 a month, just for an example, and the total $27 is yours, right? So that's quite cool. So that means your client is not overburdened with the money pressure while you are making the most of it. And the best part, you can create unlimited users with it. So you can see this is a business opportunity. That being said, if you want to pick this up, I would say go for the bundle deal. You can see the white level costs you $247. So if you scroll down on my bonus page, you are going to find a bundle deal over here. This contains everything: the front end, the Pro, the done for you edition, the agency, and the white level, all for only $267. So to grab the bundle deal, just come over here and click on this button, as you can see. And once you click on this, this will take you to the bundle deal sales page, as you can see over here. And in here, you can just go through this at your own time. Everything is written over here, and you can see you can get all of this. You can just apply this coupon code, click on this buy now, and as you can see, it's going to cost you $317, but then just apply this coupon code to get it at $267. And at this price, it's an absolute no-brainer to have. If you have the budget, I would say go for the bundle deal. If you don't have the budget, if you're short on budget, just go for the front end along with the first upsell. So that's my recommendation as far as FunnelHero AI is concerned. And believe me, it's a game changer as far as creating websites or funnels are concerned. Now, to get my bonuses, once you do purchase via my link, all that you need to do is just shoot us your purchase receipt on this WhatsApp number. You can get it inside JVZoo as well if you are a JVZoo user. If not, you can just shoot us a WhatsApp at this number or email us over here, and we will send you the bonuses. Don't worry. So that's it for this little tutorial. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this little tutorial. So that's it for today's tutorial. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to grow online. Signing off is Cheyenne. Take care. Bye-bye.